I'm good.
Oh, you're feeling good. Do you have school today? Do you have school today? Did you attend your school? Where is your classmates? Where are your classmates? Mm. You did great to your homework. You haven't tried the homework of 8 I sent to homework. Let's wait to your classmate. Did you have your dinner already? Do you have
Yeah.
your... Oh, what did you eat? What did you eat? Uh, Vietnamese food? You know, I like spring roll. Where are your classmates? So tomorrow you don't have school. Do you have something want to do tomorrow? What are your plans for tomorrow, Johnny? Oh, hello, Jack. Good evening. Hello. Where is Angel? Oh, let's wait for Angel, okay? Let's wait for Angel. Hello, Jack. Good evening. How are you?
I am
How are you? Oh, you're good. Okay. Now let's wait for Angel.
chứ bắt đầu học.
What did you eat, Jack? What did you eat tonight?
I eat eggs and meat.
Wow. Do you eat vegetables?
Yes.
How about you, Johnny? Do you eat vegetables? Do you like vegetables?
It's vegetable.
Yes. What is your favorite vegetable? Do you like pumpkin vegetable? Let's wait for Angel. How was your school, Jack? How was your school?
Really like food. I really like.
Oh, you don't make homework. Why? Why you don't make homework? Are you busy?
Yes.
Oh, you become busy? How about you, Johnny?
Yeah.
Oh, you're busy. What is your favorite cartoons? What is your favorite cartoons? Oh, there's your homework. Wow, good job, Jack. There is your homework. I will make a review later, okay?
Yes.
I'm sorry last time. I forgot your prize. I'm sorry last time. I forgot your prize. Let's wait for Angel. Okay, let's start. It's now okay, almost 10 minutes. Let's start. Fun for starters. Unit 27, food I really like. Okay, next. Let's have a vocabulary. Let's learn some new words. Let's start this first picture. Can you please tell me what is this?
It's breakfast.
It's
Breakfast.
okay, let's check. It's breakfast. Good job. Okay, please repeat after me, Jack.
Breakfast.
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 Johnny?
Breakfast.
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 Breakfast. Don't forget the T in the last. Breakfast. Next picture. Can you please tell me what is this? What is this? Okay, please answer. What is this? Do you know the answer, Johnny? How about you, Jack? Do you know the answer? It's
Dinner.
a lunch. Lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Johnny? Lunch.
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 Lunch. Jack?
Lunch.
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 Good job. Next picture. What we have here? Okay, what is this?
Dinner.
Dinner? What do you think? It's a dinner? There's a family and have what they're eating, a salad and a portion of meat.
Meat. And
Let's check. It's dinner. Good job. Now let's practice together.
dinner.
Jack,
Dinner.
dinner. Dinner.
Dinner.
Dinner. Johnny,
Dinner.
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 Very good. Okay, let's play.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Dinner. Dinner.
Dinner.
Dinner. Dinner.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Jack,
Dinner.
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 Good job. Next, can you please tell me what is this?
Fruit. Fruit.
Oh, okay, it's
Fruit.
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 Very good. Now, Johnny,
Fruit.
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 Jack,
Fruit.
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 Very good. Okay, next. What is this? It's a,
Bread.
Jack, it's a bread.
Bread.
Please
Bread.
repeat.
Bread.
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 Bread. Bread.
Bread.
Bread.
Bread.
Johnny,
Bread.
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 Bread. Good
Bread.
job.
Bread.
Next, what is this? It's a, can you please tell me what is this? I don't know what is this. This is a,
It's tomato. It's carrot. It's
yes, what we call this? A lot of,
uh
do you know the answer, Jack?
I don't know.
How about you? How about you, Johnny? Do you know the answer? The answer is vegetable.
Vegetable.
Okay, please
Vegetable.
repeat, Jack.
Vegetable.
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 Vegetable. Johnny?
Vegetable.
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 Very good. How about this? This is a,
Meat.
wow,
Meat.
very good.
Meat.
A meat. Okay, Johnny?
Meat.
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 Meat. Okay,
Meat.
again. Jack.
Meat.
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 Very good. Okay, now let's have section number 1. Look at the picture. Match the blue words with the things. Okay. Bill's big breakfast. Where is the blue
Breakfast.
word? Where is the juice? The juice is in here. Wow.
Juice. Juice.
Juice. Next, the peas. Wow, that's a lot of peas. Where is the
Peas.
beans?
Is
Is this
here.
a bean? Is this a
No.
bean? Is this
No.
a bean?
No.
Oh, I don't know where is the bean.
Sweet.
Okay, this is a bean. Okay, next. Where is the bread? Is this a bread?
No. No.
Oh, is this a
the
bread? I think this is a
No.
bread. Okay,
No.
the bread is here. Next. Yes, very good. That is the bread. Next. Fruit. This is
Fruit.
fruit. Okay, this is the blue words. How about the egg? Where is the egg? Is this the egg? Is this the egg?
No.
Is this the egg?
No. No.
Oh, this is the egg.
Yeah.
Okay, good job, class. How many purple grapes are there? Can you please count them? Can you please count them?
4, 5.
How many, class?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. How many grapes? I don't know how many grapes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Good
10.
job. 8 grapes. Next, how long sweet can you see? How many long sweet can you see? Is this a sweet? Is this a sweet?
No.
Oh,
It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3,
4.
4. How many? How many sweets do we have?
4.
4 sweets. Good job. Okay. Now, let's have the next. Pronunciation. Let's pronounce it perfectly. Let's start with the first word. Okay, let's start with Jack. Breakfast.
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 Johnny. Johnny. Breakfast.
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 Next. Fruit.
Fruit. Fruit.
Okay.
Fruit.
Jack. Fruit.
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 Okay, Johnny. Fruit.
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 Jack. Peas.
Peas.
Peas. Where's the peas? Is this a peas?
Yeah.
Yes. Peas.
The peas.
Johnny. Peas.
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 Okay, next. We have juice.
Juice. Juice.
Jack.
Juice.
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 Oh, what is a juice? Can you give me example of juice? What is a juice?
Is here.
Yes. What is your favorite juice? What flavor, Jack? What flavor is your favorite juice?
Is watermelon.
Watermelon juice? How about you, Johnny? What is your favorite juice?
Orange juice. Yeah.
Orange juice. Wow. Okay, next. Jack, juice.
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 Johnny, juice.
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 Good job. Next, Johnny, beans.
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 Jack, beans.
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 Okay, next. Okay, Jack, bread.
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 Johnny, bread.
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 What is your favorite bread, Johnny? What is your favorite bread?
Yan, sandwich.
How about you? How about you, Jack? What is your favorite bread?
Bread, substance.
What bread? What bread? I like banana bread.
No, I like.
What bread do you like?
Substance. Bread.
Is that a Vietnamese bread?
Substance. Bread.
Yes. How about you, Johnny? What is your favorite bread? What your favorite bread? You don't know what's your favorite bread? Johnny, can you hear me? Johnny? Hello, Johnny?
No, teacher.
Yes. What is your favorite bread?
Yeah.
It's a
Bread.
bread. What kind of bread? What kind of bread? Cheese bread? Spanish bread? Sliced bread?
Spanish bread.
Yes, Spanish bread. Very good. How about breakfast? What is your favorite breakfast, Jack?
I like.
Mm-hmm. What breakfast do you like?
I like.
Spring roll? That is one of my favorite. Or I like fried rice.
Egg and
Fried egg or boiled egg? What do you like? Fried egg or boiled egg?
water.
Oh, boiled egg. How about you, Johnny? What is your favorite breakfast? What is your favorite breakfast?
Meat and fish.
Wow, with rice. With rice.
And rice.
Good job. Okay, next. Let's have the next. Which words have orange letters? Which words have orange letters?
One. One.
Yes. This one is sweets. Have orange letters. Egg. Yes, have orange letter. And food. Food. Food.
Food.
Okay, well done. Find two words in which vowel pair sounds like E or egg. Find two foods with E. With E.
Egg.
Okay?
Wheat.
Where?
Sweet.
Sweets. Yes, correct. How about you, Johnny? With E sound.
Bread. Bread.
Yes, bread.
Breakfast.
Yes, egg. And
And breakfast.
yes, good job. Wow, very good. Next. Find a sound pair with the oo sound, like food. Can you please find oo sound? Ooh.
Sweet.
Again.
Sweet.
Oh, it's a E sound.
Juice. Juice.
Yes, juice. How about you, Johnny? Fruit. Yes. It's also oo sound. Fruit.
Fruit.
Very good. Next, find a sound. Pair the E. Sweets. Okay. E sound. Can you please find?
Fruit.
Okay. E sound.
Bread.
Okay. Maybe peas. Yes, peas or beans. That is with E sound. Next, Bill eats sweets, peas, beans, fruit juice, bread, and egg for breakfast. Wow. Okay, Johnny, what Bill eats? What Bill
Milk.
eats?
Bean.
Mm-hmm.
Sweets. Beans. Beans. Fruit. Beans. Bread. Fruit. Juice. Bread. And egg. For breakfast.
How about you, Jack? What Bill eats?
Bill
Eats?
sweets, peas,
Mm-hmm.
beans,
Mm-hmm.
fruit,
Mm-hmm.
juice,
Mm-hmm.
bread, and an egg for breakfast.
Very good. Well done. Okay, now I will have a... Okay, wait. I will have a... Okay, wait. I will give a score of you, class. Okay,
Yeah.
because you all doing your homework and also Jack is being on time and also Johnny is being on time. Do you see the class dojo? Do you see the rewards?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, doing your task. Okay, next. Okay, wait. Okay, please wait. Now we're back to our lesson. Next, section A, listen to the teacher and color. Okay, Bill's big breakfast. Please tell me the color when I say a word, okay? For example, juice, blue, okay? I will say breakfast. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
What color is it?
Breakfast.
What color is it? Is
Pink.
pink. Okay. How about you, Johnny? Do you know what color of breakfast?
Red.
It's pink. Fruit. What color of fruit? Fruit?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. Jack, what color of the fruit?
Blue. Orange.
Okay,
Blue.
fruit is blue. For example, egg. 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 Say the
Orange.
color.
Red.
Orange.
Red.
Good job. That's orange or red? I'm not sure. Do you know the color?
Orange.
It's
Orange.
orange. Very good. How about peas? Peas. Peas.
Blue.
Blue. Blue.
Blue.
Fruit. Blue. Fruit. Fruit. Okay, Jack.
Orange.
Fruit. Fruit.
Blue.
Yes. Bread. You know the answer, Johnny? Bread.
Red.
Bread. Okay. Jack, bread is
Blue.
juice. How about the juice?
Blue.
Food. Food.
Orange.
Very good. Jack, you know the answer? Orange. Well done. Okay, next picture. Write 6 things that Lucy likes for lunch. Okay, let's start with the example. With letter C. Okay, please.
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate. How about you, Johnny? Start with letter C. Food with letter C. C. The example is ice cream. Jack have chocolate. Okay?
Carrot.
I can't hear you. Again?
Carrot.
Carrots. Yes. How about you, Jack? Starts with letter C.
C is
C.
oceans.
Again?
Oceans.
Since what is food? What's food is that? Is that a Vietnamese food? How about you, Johnny? Start with C. We have ice cream, carrots, and chocolate. Yes, clam. Start with letter C. Yes, cupcake. Very good, Johnny. Cupcake. We have ice cream, carrots, chocolate, clam, and cupcake. Where is the last one? Letter C. Letter C, we need 6. 6, food. Let me guess.
Pumpkin.
Oh, it's letter P.
In.
Again, Jack?
In.
Oh, it's letter I. Maybe he likes some crush. Again?
Cloud.
Clam. We have already a clam. Maybe she likes crushed ice cream. Or maybe she likes crepe. Have you tried a crepe? Crepe? Do you know crepe?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good job, class. How about you, Jack? What food do you like? What food do you like?
I like uh,
What food do you like?
pizza. Pizza.
Pizza. How about you, Johnny?
I like
What food do you like?
burger.
Yes, hamburger. My favorite food is spaghetti. Have you tried spaghetti? That is
Yes.
pasta. Oh, pasta? That is spaghetti. That is Italian food. You must try next time. Okay, we are done. Now, let's have section C. Dance, funny dinner. Look at the letters and write the words. Okay, let's have. First word is eggs. Yes. How about this? What is this?
Red.
Yes,
Bread.
it's a.
Red.
It's a.
Red.
Okay, it's a bread. Good job. How about this? What is this, Jack?
Balls.
apples. Very good. How about this, Johnny? This is your favorite. Wow. Hamburger. Burger. A burger. How about you, Jack? What is this?
Potatoes.
Yes, potatoes. And how about this, Jack? Do you know what fruit is this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Very good, class.
Pineapples.
Okay, for working hard. And for Johnny, yes, for being persistent. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Let's have this answer. Please repeat after me, Johnny. Eggs.
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 Egg.
Jack, eggs.
Egg.
Eggs. Eggs.
Egg.
Okay,
Eggs.
Johnny, bread.
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 Jack, bread.
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 Okay, Johnny, apples.
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 Jack, apples.
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 Okay. Now, Johnny, burger.
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 Jack, burger. Burger.
Burger.
Burger.
Burger.
Next, Jack, potatoes.
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 Johnny, potatoes.
Potato.
Potatoes.
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 Potato.
Okay, good job. Next, Johnny, pineapple.
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 Okay, Johnny, Jack, pineapple.
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 Okay, that is Dan's funny dinner. Great job, class. Dan's having for dinner. Dan's having eggs, bread, apples, a burger, potatoes, and pineapple for dinners. Okay, now let's have the next. This word have double letters. In the, you spell it doubler. For example, now listen to the teacher and write 3 sentences. Okay, for example, the double letters. Can you please answer what is the double letters? Okay, this is the example, eggs. Double. What is the double of eggs? What is the double of eggs, class?
G and G.
Yes, double G. Yes. How about you, Jack? What is apples? What is the double letters of apples?
P and P.
Yes, double letter of, yes, P. How about dinners? What is a double letter of dinners? What is a double letter of dinners?
N is N.
N, double N. Yes, very good. Okay, next. This is the tip. Listening, part 3. Right? 3 answer might come near the beginning, in the middle, or in the end of the conversation. What you should? Listen to the whole conversation and be sure you have chosen the correct answer. Okay, let's have section D. What food and drink can you see? What food and drink can you see, Johnny? What food? How about you, Jack? What food and drink can you see? Let's have, what can Kim have lunch?
Chicken and rice
And
juice.
what juice? Orange juice. Okay, let's try this next example. What does Alex want for breakfast today? What's the answer, Johnny? It's, I think,
Tea.
breakfast. What is this? What is this, class? What is this?
Egg.
An egg. A hard-boiled egg. What Alex want for breakfast?
C.
Okay,
Right.
let's listen first to the audio. Please listen carefully. And the audio starts now.
27D. Food I really like. Look at the pictures.
Oh, where's the audio? I'm sorry.
Listen and look. There is one example. What can Kim have
Why the? I'm sorry.
for lunch?
Mhm.
What can we have for lunch, Mum? Have we got potatoes?
No, we've got chicken and rice.
Great! Can I have some orange juice too?
Yes, Kim.
Yes.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's May's favourite meat?
What's your favourite meat, May? Is it sausages?
No, I don't like them.
Do you like eating meatballs?
No, I don't. But I really love burgers. Those are my favourite.
2. What does Alex want for breakfast today?
Do you want some bread for breakfast, Alex?
Not today. I'd like an egg, please.
OK. And do you want some milk too?
No, thank you, Mum.
3. What can Hugo
Okay, what Alex want for breakfast? It's, what do you think, Johnny?
C.
Okay, let's check. The answer is 1 boiled egg.
have
Okay.
for dinner?
Can I have fish for dinner, Dad?
Yes, Hugo. You can have some peas, too.
Great. And can I have some fries?
Sorry, not today.
4.
Okay, what Hugo have for dinner? What Hugo have for dinner?
B.
Okay, letter Let's check later. How about this? Which drink does Anna like? Anna, which drink Anna like? Pineapple. It's a pineapple juice. Okay. Next, what's May's favorite meal?
Which drink does Anna like?
Which drink do you like, Anna? Do you like pineapple juice?
Yes, but I don't like lemonade.
Oh. Do you like tomato juice too?
No, but my dad likes that.
5. Which is Sue's favorite?
Sue's favorite.
What's that, Sue? Is that apple pie? No, it's coconut ice cream. It's for my lunch. Is that your favourite? No, kiwi pie is my favourite.
Okay, class. Let's have the answer. What's Sue's favorite? Is this A? How about you, Johnny? What's Sue's favorite? What's Sue's favorite? Okay, the answer is let's have the answer first. It's A. Good job, Jack. Where's Johnny? Johnny, where are you? Oh, he drinks some water. It's very hot. That's why we need to drink water. It's very hot. We need to drink water. Where is Johnny? Where is Johnny? I don't. Okay, that is Johnny's sister. Where is Johnny? Okay, let's have the next lesson. Section E. Listen to the teacher and write the food and drink. Okay, where is Johnny? Let's start with you, Jack. Write the food you like. I like. Yeah. And you don't like?
I don't like.
Spicy food. You don't like spicy food? Or you like...
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. How about drink? A drink you like and a drink you don't like.
I like your watermelon juice.
Juice.
I don't like the tomato.
Oh, the tomato juice. And what the drink you don't know?
Broccoli and broccoli.
Oh, the
juice.
broccoli juice. How about you, Johnny? What food do you like?
I like fish.
Fish. And what
don't like.
you don't like?
I don't like.
You don't like spicy food?
You.
What you don't like? How about food that you don't know?
I don't like. You.
Yes? You don't like? You don't like spicy food?
I don't like orange juice.
What is that?
I don't like orange juice.
Orange juice. Okay, and what food you don't know? What food you don't know?
I don't know.
Yes,
I did. Pumpkin.
pumpkin. Okay, what drink you like and don't like and I don't know? Drink. Drink.
Drink. Drink.
The drink you like is orange juice or apple juice? What juice do you like, Johnny?
I like apple juice.
What drinks that you don't like? Tomato juice? Or what is
Chocolate
this?
fruit. Juice.
Chocolate? Chocolate juice? Tomato juice. You don't like tomato juice? You know, I like cucumber juice. And
Broccoli.
broccoli. Yes, that's healthy. Carrot juice.
No.
No, no. How about you, Johnny? What drink do you don't like?
Carrot.
Yes,
I
the carrot.
don't like.
What you don't like? Tomato juice?
I don't like tomato juice.
Yes. How about I don't know? What drinks you don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know about?
I don't know.
About cucumber juice? Or the broccoli juice? Do you like broccoli juice, Jack?
No, I don't like pumpkin juice.
Okay, the pumpkin juice. Good job. Now, find a food start with each letter of an alphabet. Let's start with A. What food starts with A? A.
Apple. Apple.
Yes, apple. How about the food starts with B? B. What food starts with B? Ba.
Broccoli juice.
Broccoli? Banana? Yes. How about start with letter C? Letter C.
Cake.
Yes, cake. And Johnny?
Carrot.
Carrot. Yes. And cucumber. Yes, that is also a food. How about start with letter D?
Duck.
Duck. Yes, duck. Okay, yes. Johnny, start with letter D. Start with letter D.
Duck. Dolphin.
Dolphin? Oh, yes, that is also exotic food. Dolphin, but dolphin is also exotic food. It's also a fish. Okay, now let's start with letter E. Yes, Jack?
Egg and eagle.
Eagle? That is an endangered animal. Okay.
Egg.
Yes, Johnny?
Egg.
Egg. Good job. Next, F. F. F.
Fish.
Fish. And and
Fire.
okay, next G. Letter G.
Wood. Wood.
What is that, Jack? G is for ground pork or ground beef.
Good.
Okay, next H. Start with letter H. Hamster, is that the food? Hamster? No, that is a pet. Hamster. Okay, how about you, Johnny? Start. Hot? No, that is a pet. Hamster is our pet. Okay, start with H is hot dog. Hamburger.
Dog. Hamburger.
Yes. Next, start with letter I. Letter I. Yes. Ink. Ice cream. Yes. How about J? J? Jollibee. Have you heard Jollibee?
Jollibee.
Yes, it's from Philippines. What is starts food with letter J? Do you have any idea? Okay, next, K. Do you have? What is the K food? What food starts with K? What food starts with K?
Keyboard.
Okay, L. Lime.
Lemon.
Lemon,
Lamb.
yes.
Lamb.
Lamb. Yes, very good. How about M? M. M. Meat. Mango. And
No. N is no.
okay, how about N? Do you have food? Starts with letter N? O? Do you have food starts with letter O?
Iron.
Nuts. Nut.
Nut.
Okay, with O, octopus. Octopus. How about P? P. Pig. Very good.
Pile.
Yes. Okay, let's start with letter Q. Oh, there's nothing maybe in letter Q. Now let's, yes, R.
Qui.
Oh, qui. I don't, okay, R. Letter R.
Rabbit.
Rabbit is also a exotic food. Okay, next. S. Snake. Oh, it's also exotic food. Snake. Strawberry. Yes, strawberry. How about T? Letter T?
Tiger.
Tiger? Tiger? What is that? What is that, Jack?
Tiger and tall. It's
Okay.
long.
Oh, it's a tiger is our exotic food. Okay, you. Yes, what is
Unicorn.
unicorn? Unicorn. How about you, Johnny? Oh, we don't have.
Umbrella.
What is that, Jack?
Umbrella.
Oh, umbrella is not the food. It's a thing. Okay, how about letter V? Vinegar is part of food. Vinegar.
Violin.
Violin is not a food. How about W? W. Waffles. What is that, Johnny?
Wolf.
Okay, Vex. Next. Okay, we are done with our letters. Good job, class. Okay, now let's have some. Okay, I think let's find animals. Guess the animal. Do you see the video?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
A sheep. Great job.
What animal is this?
Chicken.
A chicken.
chicken.
Good job.
What is it?
What animal is this?
dog.
Is that a weasel?
A dog.
A dog.
dog.
Good job. Okay.
Is it a weasel, a marmot, or a rabbit?
What is
A
that?
rabbit.
How about you, Jack?
A rabbit.
Let's check.
A rabbit.
A rabbit. Very good.
A reindeer, a kangaroo, or a deer?
A reindeer, I think.
A deer.
A reindeer.
Yes, it's a
Oh.
deer.
Good job, class.
New Rexona
Okay,
Vitamin
let's
Bright.
wait for the commercial.
Glow and protect
Cow.
Commercial is too problem. Okay. What is this?
It's a fox.
Okay, let's check.
It's a fox.
It's a fox. Good job.
Is it a bear, a buffalo, or a yak?
Can you please check?
A bear.
A bear. Very good.
A panther, a cat, or a white tiger?
What is that? A white
cat.
tiger? A
A
panther? A cat.
A cat.
Good job. Next. Is this a hippo?
Elephant.
Oh, is that a rhinoceros?
Well played, it's an elephant.
It's an elephant. Very good.
Is it a kangaroo, an antelope, or a giraffe?
I think it's an antelope.
giraffe.
It's an antelope.
Yes, it's a giraffe.
Very good.
Is it a tiger, a cheetah, or a lion?
I think it's a tiger.
Well played, it's a lion.
It's a lion. Good job.
A buffalo, a
Okay,
bull,
we are
or a
running out of time, class. Now let's have the top 1 and top 2 for tonight. Because Angel is absent, we are the one who will be participating, Johnny. And also, Johnny is the top 2. Top 2, Johnny, because of that, where's the gift? I'm giving you a toy. A toy. And our top 1 will be, who do you think will be, Jack? Our top 1 is Jack. Good job. Okay, Jack. And because you are working hard and also helping each other. Yes, Johnny, you help each other. Because of that, Jack, I'm giving you a pop it toy. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Okay, very good, class. See you next class for Monday.
Teacher.
Okay, I will send an assignment. Don't forget your assignment. And have a good night. Bye, class. Goodbye. Night, class. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.